Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DAP-1120 N300 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the D-Link DAP-1120 is a Wi-Fi range extender designed to boost your existing wireless signal and eliminate dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, take the DAP-1120 and plug it into a power socket. Make sure it's in a place close to your main Wi-Fi router for the first time setup. When powered on, the LED light on the extender will start blinking, meaning it's ready to be configured. On your laptop, PC, or smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Find and connect to the extender's default network, SSID, dlink XXXX, printed on the label on the device. No password is required for this initial connection. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type either http://dlinkapp.local or http://192.168.0.50. The D-Link Setup Wizard page will appear. Now click Setup Wizard to begin configuration. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Choose your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. If your router supports dual band, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz, you can connect the extender to one or both. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes roaming seamless, or create a new SSID, like myhome_xt, makes it easier to identify. Set a Wi-Fi password, can be the same as your router. After clicking Next, the DAP-1120 will save all the configuration settings. Restart itself automatically. This reboot takes 1 to 2 minutes. Do not turn off or unplug the extender during this time. After the extender reboots, go to your phone/laptop Wi-Fi settings. Connect to your home Wi-Fi or extended Wi-Fi network. Now that setup is complete, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.